The discourse surrounding Colonel Baloy's situation has, regrettably, been clouded by politically polarized perceptions. However, a position within the nation's MID was undoubtedly untenable given a considerable compromises. Sarapita mashoko buda again, tonatemba Mliswa oyachataka Minnie Baloyi ameno kuti Minnie akambotadzirei Mliswa. But panguva inoi Mliswa nemashoko akari reckless ongoramba achitaura mashoko okumhura ndoti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tinoda paino pakamudanyira chiti the vice president is transitioned into a full-time political role characterized by distinct ambitions and thus giving his spouse in a pivotal military intelligence position poses a significant risk to the integrity of any sensitive information that may pass through her hands. What implications arise when a report containing adverse information about your husband is funneled through her? The matter is as straightforward as that. This is not about animosity or a personal affront against the person of the VP or the colonel. It's a simple case of weeding out a clear risk to the integrity of MID. Moreover, demanding accountability from our leaders should not be perceived as an act of aggression or insult. It is rather a practice that ought to be encouraged and fostered, as it is fundamental to the establishment of an effective democratic system. No leader should be exempt from scrutiny. Personally, I've always engaged in constructive criticism of every leader, including the president, and I find it perplexing that others might be treated as unassailable figures while holding public office. This tendency to defy political leaders is precisely what leads our nation to recurrent disappointments. Leadership must be subjected to rigorous examinations. Thomas Kwanmuda panguva ino natemba Mliswa achireply to a post aiwa yaMinnie Baloyi paanompindura another user achiti Venezuela is very far from Zimbabwe. Tudze mafungiro enyu mati kudii pamusoro pekuenderera kuramba uchita temba Mliswa. Ina comment section medu za mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.